All right. Now let's move on and finally start working the body of this queen. Okay, so once again we'll start with the magic ring. And you will work 6 single crochet in a magic ring here. Oops. All right. So let's pull this tight, close the magic ring, and start crocheting the second round. Here for the second round, you will work 2 single crochet, 1 increase. You repeat 2 times, and you will have 8 stitches at the end of this round, okay? And just remembering you, if this technique is too fast for you, if the video is too fast for you, check in the description box below, okay? Might have a lot of videos that can help you. How to increase, how to decrease, how to work the magic ring. And of course, if you have any questions, you can always leave me in the comments below, and I will do my best to reply you as fast as I can. Okay, so let's double secure the beginning of my yarn like I like to do. And we'll work here a color change on the last stitch of this round. Okay, so we change to the beige color, which this will be the leg of the red queen. And for round 3 to 7, you will work 8 single crochet. So here go all the way up until round 7, crocheting 8 single crochet, very easy, and I will catch you up when you finished all of these repetitions, all right? Okay, this is great. So what you're gonna do is you do 2 of these legs, one you finished and fastened off, the other one you don't cut the yarn. Instead, on the last stitch here, we will work a color change. We will change to the red color yarn. All right, so we are now moving from the legs to her thighs now, to her body. I will just stop here very fast, cut this, we won't need it anymore. And I will give a simple knot here just to make my job easy. You can give a normal knot here, this will be facing inside, nobody will see it. Okay? So now here's what you're going to do. You will chain 2. Let me just organize this. Once again, I will hide inside of this leg. And here you can add a little bit of stuffing material later on, not now. And you take the finished leg, you pick one random stitch from the finished leg and you insert the loop of your needle inside this stitch. Okay? Now the legs are attached together and you work 20 single crochet around the leg, okay? So 2 stitches here from the foundation chain, and then you have more 8 stitches from the leg. So let's work here. I will show you to the other side. Okay, and then you arrive on the other side of the chain and you work 2 single crochet, 1 on each chain. Okay, and then you work again. You see, this is where you introduce the loop of your needle. That is one stitch you need to work on because you just put the loop there. You didn't work a single crochet in there. And now you do again 8 single crochet from the other chain. So you have a total of 20 stitches here. All right, great. Look at these tiny legs. Yay! Super good. Now let's add here our stitch marker. Great. And let's work the next round here. So here we will work increases. You will work 4 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 4 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. You see, we will have 24 stitches at the end of this round. 24 stitches is the correct amount of the skirt. Very smart, huh? Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the increase is over here. Work all the way around. And this is the tiny legs. Very nice. Okay, now you work one more round only with 24 stitches. Okay, so work your round here, make your stitches, and come back. I will catch you up because we will start crocheting together with a skirt. Very nice coming. Okay, look at this, how cute is this tiny legs. Very nice. Now, remember this beautiful detail we've made, right? So this is the back side. Okay, so now you dress up the skirt, you see? My stitch is a little bit to the side, so this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bring my stitch here to the front, and it's like more in the middle of the legs, okay? If your stitch is already in the middle, you don't need to do that. But if it's more to the side, align the central of your starting stitch with the center of the skirt. And now you dress up the skirt, okay? Make sure that you leave the yarn outside, okay? So you see here, we will work in black and in red, okay? We will need to work a color change here, and we will start switching color, all right? Super good. You see, we will work in the white place here. We will grab the white place here of this chain and the body. So you need to figure it out what is the first stitch here and count 12 until here. So you can count the stitches from back to the front and see what is the 12 stitches on the top. And just one thing that I forgot to shoot, you need to change colors to the black, and you work together with both colors, all right? The black and the red. So give a knot there so the black thread is not loose. And just remember, where is red, you work with black. Where is black, you work with red. You will see. So you take the stitch from the white detail and the stitch from the red of the body, okay? And you work a single crochet. And here you should count 12 stitches, all right? You have 12 stitches from the chain of the patch, remember? And you will work with 12 stitch from the body. Okay, so work here your 12 stitches. In some point here, you'll need to start carry on the red yarn so it doesn't be folding from one side to another. Like you see here, I'm carrying on not in all the stitches, but in some of the stitches I carry on, so it's not in the central of this toy. So carry on the yarn with you, because we will change in the middle of the toy, okay? So let's continue here. Count 12 stitches in black, okay? 12 stitches in black, 12 stitches in red, total 24 stitches in total of the skirt and the body together. Okay, now I'm here on my stitch number 12. All right, and we will work a color change here. Okay, and now you see, leave the thread there because we will start changing, and start crocheting in the first stitch of the black patch in the white detail. I hope that's clear for you. And again, count 12 single crochet here, okay? And you will see, when you crochet together the black patch and the white patch with the body here in the skirt, they are together, you see, very nice and tight. And once you finish 12 from the black and 12 from the red, this is how it should be looking like. You always need to have 24 stitches. That is very important, okay? At the end, you change color and you will start working with the black. This is because we want half of the queen's body to be in black, half of the queen's body to be in red, all right? Just 12 stitches in the black side, 12 stitches on the red side. So starting with the black, and you can see here that now I'm grabbing my thread under the needle, okay? So I'm working the single crochet with under the needle technique because we have a lot of color changes here, and I want this change of the colors to be the middle like that. So that's why we use the single crochet working under the needle. If you have any questions about under the needle and over the needle, you can leave in the description box below. Okay, and that works. I don't have a dedicated video for that yet, but I can help you understand it better. So only for this chest part of the queen is where I'm using this technique of under the needle. So now for round 13 we'll work the decreases. So you'll work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat it 3 times in black, and then you change colors and you work 2 single crochet, 1 decrease, repeat 3 times in red. All right, so here when you make the first 3 repetitions in black on the last stitch, which is the decrease, you change to the red color yarn, and then again now you continue with the 2 single crochet, 1 decrease in red. Okay, so here you work the decreases normally. So where is red, you work in red. Where is black, you work in black. Super good. Okay, now we will work 1 round only 9 single crochet in black, 9 single crochet in red. So this round 14, it's very simple and easy, just the 9 single crochet, and I will catch you up. Next round we will work together with the arm. Super good, look at this, beautiful. Okay, now let's start crocheting together with the arms. So we will put it here on the side. Where is red, you work with the black, and where is black, you work with the red. Now we are changing the colors here. Okay, super good. Over the black you put the red arm, and over the red you put the black arm. So here we will give a 4 stitches distance to the front, so 1, 2, and here on the third is where you'll start crocheting together with the arm. Okay, this is just for you to know that you will leave 2 stitches in front, that is 4 stitches in the front, there is the distance between one arm to another. These 4 stitches, 2 is in black, 2 is in red. Okay, if it's too much for you, you can of course sew this later. Okay, but here we can just follow up this pattern. The round 15, you will work 4 single crochet in black, you will work 4 single crochet normally, 3 single crochet with the arm, and then 2 single crochet normally without anything in black. So you have 9 stitches, right? And then you work a color change to the red, work 2 single crochet, 3 with the arm, 4 single crochet. Okay, so let's go slow here. I work now, this is my 4th stitch. Okay, super good. And I will work the arm here. So you grab 1 stitch from the arm. So we have 3 stitches here, right? Okay, so the first stitch here and 1 stitch from the body, and you crochet together. Here again I continue working with the yarn under the needle to make the single crochet. You can work with the yarn over the needle, no problem, okay? I just want to work like this. I explain you why. There is many color changes in the front side of the red queen, and when you're working with the yarn over the needle, these changes tend to bend a little bit to the right side, okay? All right, so now we finish here and we have 2 more single crochet in black. So this is 1 and this is 2. Okay, now we stop here and change colors. We will work in the red. And again here, you continue with the pattern. So once you've finished everything and the arms are there, when you arrive on the last stitch with the red, you change to the beige color that you need to introduce, and you start working 18 back loop slip stitch for the round 16. Okay, now we stop with the color changes. We won't use the other colors anymore. And you just work here 18 back loop slip stitch. So you have 18 stitches, you work 18 back loop slip stitch. Work your rounds here, and I will catch you up at the end. Great, this is how it looks like. You can cut those threads out because we won't need anymore the black or the red. And now for the next round, we will work in the remaining front loop of the stitch, okay? So you will take here the one in black. It's a little bit tricky because it's very tight, everything. But the purpose here is that the round 16 with the back loop slip stitch will be facing inside of the toy, okay? So here you work 2 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 24 stitches at the end of this round. So very simple here. Now we arrive in the relaxed part of the queen. Okay, this is my first repetition. Work all the way around here in the front loop, and I will catch you up at the end. Great, this is how it should be looking like. We will stop here very fast just to add stuffing material, because it's easier to add here now than when the head is up. Super great, look, she's even fatty right now. Okay, now let's work the round number 18 here. The round 18 is a little bit different. You will work 1 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 12 times. See, I told you it's different. And you should have 36 stitches at the end of the round, okay? So 1 single crochet, 1 increase, 1 single crochet, 1 increase, all the way until the end. All right? Super good. And I add the spins here so the arms are not flying around as I go. Okay, so this is how it should be looking like. This is very nice. Good. And now let's move on for round number 19. You will work here 5 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 42 stitches at the end of this round. Okay? All right, let's work here together, the first repetition. This queen is full of details, so please leave me questions if you have. All right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here my increase. Great. Super good. Now let's move on. For round number 20, you will work 6 single crochet, 1 increase, repeat 6 times, and you should have 48 stitches at the end of this round. And this will be the last round with increases. We achieve the size of the head that we want. Okay, let's work here the first repetition together. Super good. Repeat all the way around. And this is how it should be looking like. You see, we have some head. Now we'll give the height, like the size of this head, right? So for round 21 to 27, you'll work 48 single crochet. So now after all this job, it's time to relax. So you can stop the video here, play some music, some series, and work your repetitions, and I will catch you up for round 28.